This is my new Ademco 5808 smoke detector. There's the bracket and the batteries. This is it. I'm going to take the bracket off, and here's the label. Also suitable as a single station smoke detector for household use only. And you can see it uses CR123 batteries like you'd use in a camera or a flashlight. There's your, Ademco and stuff. Now this was also available from System Sensor as the 2300, but that was a system detector. It didn't have an internal sounder like this one does, and it hooked up to 12 or 24 volts DC. It wasn't battery powered. Now there's a horn in here, but there's no output for it. So here's your LED here, and there's their push to test switch. And then that little thing there is what allows you to get this cover off. And then there's your two thermistors here for heat detection. It's a photoelectric detector, of course, and it sounds in sort of a slow 4/6 pattern. I noticed there were no videos for this on YouTube, so this will be the first. And here we go. So that's the Ademco 5808, and here's the bracket. That's your normal bracket. You've seen that on a couple of my other detectors, BRK detectors and stuff.